Wanna love me, boy, wanna love me. Wanna love me, boy, wanna love me, boy, wanna love me, boy, wanna love me. Wanna love me, boy, wanna love me, boy, wanna love me, boy, wanna love me. Hey love bugs, welcome back to my channel, and for those of you who are new, welcome. I'm gorgeous, also known as Ash, and today I created this very blue look for you guys. Blue is one of my very favorite colors, and I did this gorgeous eye look using Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette. I got this for my birthday and I've just been using it. Look at these colors. Just gorgeous, just gorgeous. Created this look today using that palette right there, girl. If you guys would like to see how I created this look, you already know what to do, girl. I got you. Stay tuned.
Something just like this. Oh, I want something just like this. Where you wanna go? How much you wanna risk? I'm not looking for somebody with some superhuman gifts, some superhero.
Had to give a little pose on real quick. Okay, love bugs, so here's the finished look, and I really hope that you guys enjoyed this look. I hope that you guys have fun recreating this look, and until next time, you already know I love you, love bugs.